Today I'm going to go over the problem that I had previously introduced, which was 495 divided by 6 using a visual instructional plan. So in the first step, we basically compare the 6 and the 4. 4 was too small, so we went to go ahead and compare and find out that we needed to compare the two numbers. So now we have 49 and we multiply. So here we compare and multiply times 8. Okay, so 6 times 8 is 48. Now the next step will be subtract. We subtracted 49 from 48. We got 1 left. And so the next step is, bring down. We bring down the 5, so we have 15. Now in the following step, we're comparing the 6 and the 15. 6 goes into 15 at least 2 times, so 2 times 6 is going to be 12. Now we're going to subtract. That is the next step. Subtract. And that would be step 5. And if we subtract 15 from 12, we got 5 minus 2 is 3. Nothing here. So our remainder is going to be 3. Okay. So this is a way to, practice. Probably this would be good in a construction paper, the long sheet, and have kids like either just like draw boxes or a squiggly line to kind of separate it and just show the different steps. Great way to do this when they're taking notes, so they could always refer back to and see which of those steps they miss out. Did they forget to bring down, or they forget to subtract, any of that. So that is a visual instructional plan that helps to spot any places where they might have make a mistake if they need to double check. There's so many different strategies that can be taught for long division, and maybe 1 or 2 can be taught. And then another thing that I've seen in a training that I did was how important it is for kids to discover their own ways of solving it. Yes, it's good to teach them a method, but also give them the opportunity to come up with their own method. And I saw that was really neat. There was a template. I'm going to see if I could bring it out and do a sample with that. But it's just like after they have been taught different methods, different strategies to solve a long division problem, it is also very neat to give them the opportunity for creativity and their own inventive ways, using their imagination to try to figure out how they would solve that problem in their own way.